Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, August 8th. I hope everybody had a lovely week. All is well here. I have lots of good things to share with you. A company called Bob and Brad. They are a physical therapy team that's on YouTube. They make lots of good videos for physical therapy exercises, and they have products that they sell. And my daughter is a physical therapy student. And as crafters, I feel like we always have, we sit in our chairs for so long, we get knots in our neck, and I thought this would be a fun item to review for you guys. So that's what I did. So this is the product that they sent me. It's called the Back and Neck Massager, and it's a 3D deep kneading shiatsu massager. And let me show it to you. This is the box that it came in. These two guys, they have like millions of followers on YouTube. You might have heard about them. And I'll show you a little video of me using it. But this is the massager. Comes in different colors. I have the green. I will put a link down below. Also, I have a coupon code BOBBRADBACK. That'll save you 10%. It's on sale right now at Amazon too if you're a Prime member as well. And it comes with this comfort cover too if the massagers are, just if you just want to like temper them down a little bit. But it has these deep tissue massagers on the inside. And here, let me show you a little video of me using it in different ways. So here I am sitting at my desk doing some crafting, and I have the massager positioned at my lower back. And it feels so good. I get lower back pain when I'm sitting for a while. This really helps. The addition with the heat makes it feel just so nice and warm, and it feels like you're getting a deep tissue massage from an actual person. And then you can move it up. I have it positioned here on my neck and upper back, which also feels great. And you can change the position of the massagers if you want to do that. Just reach up, press the button, and you can see the massagers going in the opposite direction. And if you don't want the heat, you could press it again and turns the heat off, goes in the original direction, which just feels really, really good. Press it again, and the massagers go in the next direction. And that's not all. Double thumbs up. You can use it on your legs like I have here. I'm sitting on the couch at this time. You could put it on your thighs. You could put it on your stomach if you have cramps. It just works everywhere, and it's an automatic 15-minute. I love the different heat settings. I love it without. I don't know if you've noticed in my latest videos, I've been wearing this, which is, I have tendonitis in my elbow, and this really helps. This is from a different place, but I did use this massager on my arm, and it felt really good. So just wanted to share that with you. I do get reached out to by, a lot of companies, just like every other YouTuber, to try their products. And I don't always do it because I don't think they'll be beneficial to my viewers. They have nothing to do with crafting or, videos. But I think that one is good for all of us crafters, and it does really work very well. So again, the product link will be down below on Amazon, the coupon code. Let me know if you get it. I want to hear what your thoughts are. I love it. I've been using it for a week. So, all right, next we have an Etsy order, and this is from Sugar Pop Supply. I will link them down below. This is not sponsored by them. I did pay for this, but it did come in this cute little box. And they have really cute, like curated cabochons. So if you're looking for something unique and different, I feel like this is a great place to get them from. So this is their card, Sugar Pop Supply Company. Oh, I am so sorry. Like I said, my tripod broke. Or I don't know if I did say that. My tripod broke, so I have it like kind of rubber banded together right now, and the camera is not where it usually is. So I'm so sorry if I'm off frame, but I will try to keep an eye on it. Anyway, they do have a coupon code for my next order. I'm sure you could use it as well. Return 10 for 10% off. So let me show you all the things I got. Most of them were $2.99. Some of them were a little bit more, but I will link each item down below in the description box. This is some like fake leather, and it's called like Christmas cupcakes. I got a half sheet. I think it was $3.50. And this is what it looks like. And it's got all those cute little Christmas cupcakes. It's not a big piece, but I thought it'd be good for a few bows at Christmas time. I love to make bows and stuff out of fake leather. So I got that. This was a little grab bag. It was like 10 cabochons for $3.50 or $3.99, something like that. So I haven't opened this yet. I thought we would do it together. I don't usually pick up grab bags just because I like to, I don't know, I'm really picky. I like to pick out my own stuff. But let me just dump all these out and then we'll take a look at them. Okay, so here's oh, that's a cool lemon slice. It's like translucent. My camera's over here. Usually it's over here. Okay, so anyway, that's that one. It's nice and big. And then this is, oh, look at that cute little cat donut. And it's purple. That's cute. So these will probably all be different if you get a grab box too. Cute flower. It said 10 pieces. Look at that flower. That is different. Very unique. And I knew like a grab bag from this company would be fun. Here's like a little, like a Pop-Tart or something. Isn't that what it looks like? It says Ribbit, and it's got a bunny and a carrot, little shooting star. I'm not really sure what that is. And then here we have, looks like a little reindeer, doesn't it? I think it's a deer with the flower in her hair. I'm trying to hold it in the middle, you guys. I'm so sorry. I have to get a new tripod. I was filming a video. Actually, I was filming the clip for the massager, and part of my camera, the part that holds the camera flew out, and I have no idea where it is. I searched practically everywhere in my craft room. Okay, there's a cute little whale. Oh, that's adorable. So it's been driving me crazy. I'm like, I have to make this video. There's a rainbow and a cloud that's kind of matte. Here's, I think I have ones like this, rainbow with little clouds and hearts in them. And then we have this little pig, it looks like. I don't know what he's holding there. What is that? Looks like a, I don't know. And then we have a bee with honeycomb. Oh, this would be great on Scrap Diva Designs project because her theme is bees, or one of the themes is bees this month. So cute. So that's, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 pieces. That was fun. Came in a cute little bag. And let's see what else I got. I got these, oh, these cute cats. And they're for Halloween. Like some, I mean, I don't know. Maybe you guys have seen them. I don't do a lot of exploring on Temu and Ally, so I don't know if these are there. But isn't that adorable? It's got little feet and a jack-o'-lantern. Reminds me of my black cat, Holly. So that has, I think, like 5 in them. And like I said, they're either like $2.99 or $3.50. Here are these cute little angels. And I definitely have never seen anything like that before. Aren't those cute? She's got like a gold like trumpet, and she's got a halo. They're all the same. Again, I am so sorry for my camera work. Cute. Okay, and these trees, I think I've seen these before, but I picked them up from Sugar Pop Supply. And they come in a variety pack of colors. There's purple, blue, pink, yellow, green. Here's a purple one. Isn't that cute? They look like, kind of like they're made out of icing. And they have little bows on them, stars. And then here we have, oh, these are cute. They're little gingerbread mugs, gingerbread people in them, or gingerbread man in them. Look how cute that is, right? And it's done so well, too. It's got little yellow stars on it. It's a cute gingerbread face. Okay, and then there were these snowmen that I thought were adorable. I got 2 kinds of snowmen. This is like a full body snowman, right? It looks kind of retro to me. It's a little bit glittery, not like, you know, rub off kind of glitter, but just nice and festive. Looks like fresh snow, nice red scarf and hat. And then the other snowman I got, these look really vintagey to me. They're like little snowman faces, but like an old-fashioned snowman. And he's got a little bow tie on. Look at that face. It's so adorable. Also glittery. Again, I haven't seen things like this before. Let me get that last. I found these little like peppermint balls, and you can get them in a variety of colors or get them in, you know, just the singles. So here's a red one, and they just look like real peppermint candies, I thought. So I could use those somehow in a project, I'm sure. They're not beads, they're just like little balls. again with the camera. And then we have, oh, these little ghosts are so cute. They have little pumpkin heads, and I think there are 5 in here. Most things came with 5, I believe. So there's that. Right, isn't that cute? Holding a wand, the pumpkin hat. Cute little chunky cabochon. And then I got these bees, which will also be good for Scrap Diva Designs. I'll just show you one of them. There's 5 in here. Right? How cute is he with his little wings? I love smiles like that on cabochons. And then I got 2 sequins mixes, and these are like the small bags. This one, I forget what it's called, but it's got, see those little ghosts? I thought they were so cute because they have like little feet on them. And then there are pumpkins and little like ice cubes. It's called like pumpkin latte or something like that. There's sprinkles. I think that's about it, but really good for fall projects, I thought, and Halloween. And then there's this one too, which has, it's got apples, and look at those cute little pumpkin pie slices that have faces on them. I think it's pumpkin pie. And then there's like little swirlies and solid like tan and white slices. So small, but you know, you can take a little bit of this and add it to a bigger sequins mix, so you know, you're not like using the whole thing on one project. So again, this was all from Sugar Pop Supply, right? Is that the name of it? And I will link all of these products down below. Hang on one sec, I will move this and then get everything else out. Okay, so I went to Walmart, and I was in a different part of town, so I picked up these 2 paint pens because I haven't seen them in my Walmart. They're by Apple Barrel. One of them is metallic gold with a ultra fine tip, and then this one is silver with the fine tip. I would have gotten 2 fine tips, but they only had the gold and the ultra fine tip. So I thought maybe we could test them out together. I'm always looking for paint pens. These are water-based. So you shake, prime, and write. Let's see how they work. And I think they were $1.97 each, if I recall. Hang on one sec, let me get these out. Okay, so I got them out. I just wanted to point out that they say they're multi-surface. That's how to get them started. And you can use them on paper, wood, metal, rocks, glass, ceramic, and fabrics. All right, so I think you prime them. It said just like, you know, you would any paint pen. You have to shake it a bit. And then, okay, so that's this is ultra fine. Okay, that's not too fine. And then just like pump it up and down on your paper to get the paint flowing down to it. Okay, so this is the gold. Oh, yeah, when you write, it's nice and fine. But it would be good to, sometimes I like to add accents to my projects with little bit of gold or silver. So that's the gold. Let's try the silver. All right, so they had other colors too, I was gonna say, and in different, you know, widths of the pen. So this is the one that's just fine tip. And I do like this better for like crafting projects, but gorgeous. Very, very pretty and doesn't smell much at all. So yeah, I think those will be good. So they're by Apple Barrel acrylic paint pens, and yeah, just another set to add to my collection. So I picked those up from Walmart. And okay, so I went to Ollie's. I went to the 2 that are in my area. I'm in the Syracuse, New York area. And one of them still just has like baking stuff and the gazillion packs of one paper pad that I thought was ugly and didn't want. It was like some autumn one by Brie or Reese or something. Sorry if that's your style, it's just not mine. And so I went to the other one that's a little further away where I found a few things. They had a little bit more, but things I don't need, like sticky dots. They had like containers. Yeah, just like some paper I really just didn't want. But I did get this. I thought this was a really good score. These were originally at Hobby Lobby. This was $2.99 at Ollie's, and it was originally, what does that say, $18.99 at Hobby Lobby. So these are paper storage, and they can fit 12 by 12 papers, and the shelves slide out, which I thought was really cool. So I got one of these. They had a bunch of them, but I figured I would just get one. And yeah, this is the only thing I bought from that Ollie. So I was watching, I think it was Laura's Plans and Crafts. I think that's who said that she heard from an employee that the people in like the middle states have been getting the better stuff because that's where the like American Crafts warehouses are that they're shipping most of the stuff to. And us people like on the outskirts, like New York, we're getting like what the other stores don't want or what they, you know, whatever's surplus. So I think that's why I've been getting like the dregs of Ollie's things. I mean, I'll keep looking, but I'm starting to like just get depressed every time I go in there. There's just like things like I mentioned, and it's kind of a waste of time. But then there's things like this, which are a really good find. And I found that top for my cart last time. So that was good. And you know, this for $3. I think somebody else said they got it for $3.99, but at my Ollie's it was $2.99. If you could, sorry, it's upside down, but it's $2.99. So I will definitely put this to good use for sure. And that's all I have to share with you this week. Hope you enjoyed this little haul of kind of different stuff. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Again, that link to the Bobbin Bread back and neck massager, which is awesome. It feels so good. That'll be down below in the description box. Their Amazon store, it's on sale right now, and you can use that coupon code BobBreadBack on Amazon when you go to checkout, and in your payment list, it asks for like gift cards or promo codes. Put it in there, and then you'll get 10% off. All right, any questions? Let me know. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I'll be back soon with more crafty videos, hopefully with a new tripod. So I'm sorry about how this video turned out today, but yeah, that's the way it goes, I guess. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.